One of my best friends called me today and asked me how to play a video back at 2x. And let me tell you, changing the speed of playback has been life-changing to me. I can watch so much more content so much faster by doing so. So I'm going to try to show you how to do it both on the iPhone or from the computer. So if you're on the iPhone, and you go to my channel, let's watch rice water. So the first thing you have to do is click on the 3 dots up on the top of the video. And right here on the playback speed, you can speed that up. Now, I can watch, because I've been doing it for so long, all the way to 2x. But you can choose any of these. 1.5 is possibly really comfortable. Once you hit play,
where there's a small
it's sped up.
ethnic group of fewer than 300 people.
I love watching videos like this.
Their hair
You get through so much more.
Glossy.
So let's try doing it on the computer. Click on the movie you want to watch. On that gear with the HR on it, click on the gear, go to playback speed. Right now it's under normal, and I'm going to play it at 2 times so you guys can hear how fast that is. I love watching videos like this.
Rice water has been used as a conditioning treatment for the hair and a brightening face mask in different cultures for millennia.
See that? I love it.
For hair loss. But Dr. J.
Also, if the quality of my video is not great, go ahead and change it. I actually have been recording my videos in 4K. So you will most likely be able to see it in high definition at least. I hope that helped, and if you have any more questions like this, just let me know and I'll try to answer. I love answering technical questions. If I don't know, I'll figure it out. All right, thank you guys. Have a great one.